In this tutorial, we're going to be going through how to set up and install the collection add to cart on the highest converting theme, Debutify. So let's get into it. Once you activate the collection add to cart, you will see a add to cart button underneath all of your collections. This gives more space for your customers to browse your store and have the option of adding to cart. Instead of having to navigate through to your individual product pages, you can have the add to cart option. This just allows for more space in your store to make conversions. Scroll down on your homepage to theme settings and locate the collection add to cart. And all you have to do to this one is just click activate. But let's head over to sneakers and have a look at what it looks like before and after. Here we've got our collection displaying the prices, and we need to navigate inside of each product page to make a purchase. As you can see here, we have the add to cart on all of the product pages. And if you don't know what Debutify is already, it is the highest converting Shopify theme. The reason for that is because of our add-ons, which we increase and update regularly, its sleek design, and its 24/7 customer support. If you want to download it, feel free to check out our website here and take a look for yourself.